Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fire Spirit Studio. My name is Jake Michelle. Today, I received this wonderful microphone in the mail. It's the Rode Podmic. I've heard a lot about this microphone. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Wow, very good packing. It's packed very well, I can already tell. Very, very firm cardboard boxes. Wow, look at that cover art. Yeah, I like that. Very cool. Yeah, I appreciate details like that in my packing. Yeah, that's a cool box. I'm not gonna throw that away, that's for sure. All right, let's open it up, see what's inside. Nice thick cardboard packing, I appreciate that. Quick start guide. Some humidity control. And let's take this microphone out of the bag. Wow, it's really heavy. It's got a lot of weight to it. Nice finish. Wow, that's very nice. I like this a lot. Wow, that's a beautiful piece of equipment. For that's really cool. Wow, this feels really good in my hands. It's got a lot of weight to it. You can tell it's quality. Very strong build, very solid feeling microphone. And I'm gonna take this moment right now to tell you that I am currently recording this voice over right now on this microphone. So if you're wondering what the sound quality sounds like, this is it. And so far it sounds very good, very clean, very well balanced, very good control of volume and distances. It's a very beautiful and very responsive dynamic microphone. This rear connector is beautiful also. The quality again of components is very evident, and I'm very happy to know that when I spend money on something, you can still get this kind of quality. I'm really happy. Yeah. All right. Well, first thoughts. The weight of this microphone is 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 surprising. For such a small microphone. So it's a very good quality build, very strong. That swivel is maybe 3/16 metal plate with a very easy, smooth turning, but yet very solid, very strong knobs. And yeah, I can't stop looking at this microphone. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, nice job, Rode. I have the stand coming this week, and I will be sure to do an unboxing and a video for that as well. In the meantime, enjoy this additional footage of this microphone. Okay, there it is, the Rode Podmic. Good night, everybody.